Geethika and today I'll be making Amla juice. So the first I'm going to tell you the benefits. So it helps in reducing hair fall, it helps in burning fat, it contains a lot of vitamin C and also helps in fighting coronavirus as it contains a lot of citrus. So the ingredients are Amla, so I've taken 4 Amlas, a glass of water and cumin powder, also called as jeera powder. So I'm going to put this. So before I put this inside, we are going to be cutting this. So I have cut it like this and taken out the seeds. Now finally we are going to be putting it in this. Then add the powder and the water. Now we are done. I'll pour it into the sieve and into the bowl. Now we are going to be pouring this into the cup. And we're going to serve this. So it is usually drunk in the morning for about 1 month. This and the banana stem with amla juice will be really good for your health. Bye.